In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade a Cloudways server. If your traffic has settled down after a busy sales period, or you simply realized your current server is larger than you need, lowering your hosting costs makes a lot of sense. The tricky part is that Cloudways usually lets you scale up easily, but scaling down is different. That's because the storage on many cloud providers can be expanded, but not safely reduced on the same machine. So instead of shrinking the existing server, the correct method is to clone it onto a smaller one, point your domain to the new server, confirm everything is working, and then remove the old server. To begin, log into your Cloudways account and head to the servers section in the top navigation. Find the server you want to downgrade, then click the three-dot menu on the far right of that server's row. From the drop-down, choose Clone Server. A setup window will appear. Here, select your cloud provider. Choose a smaller server size using the available slider or plan options. Pick your preferred data center region and then launch the process. Cloudways will start building a new server in the background and cloning your environment over. This usually takes around 10 to 20 minutes, depending on how much data is being copied. Once the new server is ready and marked online, open it and look for the master credentials section. In that area, locate the public IP address and copy it. You'll need that in the next part. Now open your domain registrar or DNS manager in a separate browser tab. Go to the DNS settings for your domain and find the A record for the main domain, usually shown as the @ symbol. Edit that record so it points to the new server's public IP instead of the old one. If your www version also uses an A record, update that as well. After saving the changes, keep in mind that DNS propagation can take a little time, so it's a good idea to monitor the update using a DNS checking tool. After that, go back to Cloudways and open the applications area for the apps running on the new, smaller server. In domain management, make sure your primary domain is correctly mapped, then check the SSL certificate section. If the SSL certificate didn't carry over properly, or you see any HTTPS issues, simply reinstall the certificate using your email and domain so the site stays secure. Before deleting anything, do one final review. Test the site in an incognito window. Confirm files and databases match the old server, and make sure nothing was missed during cloning. Once you're fully confident the new server is working correctly, return to the old server's options and delete it to avoid paying for two servers at once. And that's it. You've successfully downgraded your Cloudways server while keeping downtime and risk to a minimum. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.